Hello again. We've seen some stormy conditions this morning, particularly so across the Channel Islands, but also across some southern coastal counties of England. Now, the Met Office still has an amber weather warning in force, particularly so across parts of the southeast for strong winds. These are the kind of gusts we saw earlier in the Channel Islands, over 100 miles an hour, damaging gusts. But for you, what you'll find is the winds will slowly start to come down as we go through the course of the day, as this area of low pressure, which is Storm Ciarán, continues to drift in the direction of the North Sea. But it still has a weather front wrapped around it, so we still are seeing a lot of rain, some of that heavy and persistent, some of it also quite thundery. And as you can see from the isobars, it's still going to be windy, just not to the extent that some of us saw through the course of this morning. For Northern Ireland, it's a quieter day for you. We're looking at mostly dry. You might just get clipped by some rain in the east of Northern Ireland through the course of the day, but that's really about it. Temperatures up to 12 degrees. Through this evening and overnight, the low pressure pushes into the North Sea, but we still have all this rain wrapped around it, falling in areas that have already seen issues with flooding across eastern Scotland and northeast England. And here too, it is going to be windy, but drier with a few showers as we push out towards the west. As we head into Friday, this is what's left of the storm. It's continuing to weaken, but it still has a weather front wrapped around it, which means that still some rain coming in across eastern parts of Scotland and northeast England. For the rest of us, we're looking at a largely dry day with some showers. The wind's continuing to ease, but it will still be quite blustery. And the wind blowing in these showers across Northern Ireland, parts of northwest England, Wales as well. Temperatures 10 to 14 degrees north to south. Then as we head into Saturday, what's left of the storm continuing just to fade in the North Sea, but we've got a clutch of fronts coming in from the Atlantic. And as you can see, they're going to bring some rain with them and strengthening winds. Now that initially is going to be affecting parts of southern England and also Wales, but we'll see further showers developing across Scotland and also Northern Ireland. In between, there'll be something drier and brighter. Now temperatures 9 in the north to about 14 in the south.